In the continue of the last video, I'm gonna modify these windows. For example, like this way. Well done. Here we got another one at the back of the house. Well done. And then I search here categories, and then I specify windows in my categories, and then I want to consider all of the windows which are used in the project. So I search all elements of category. You can find these nodes in selection. Here, all elements of category. I connect and then check out the list. And then I add get parameter value by name. I specify the windows as my element, and then seal height, which we worked on it last session, as my parameter name. But right now in the list, I'm gonna just consider the 0 items. We only need the 0 indexes. So right now I search for a comparison equal. I specify x and the other one 0, and then in the list we got true and false indexes. Then I add a filter by bool mask to filter the items. I give the true and false to mask and the list. Now check it out in the list, and then you can have the true items in import, in and out we can find the false items. Then I add override color in view. Then I add color by ARGB, the item 255 as a red, and then I specify the color of override color in view, and then I make a wire from out to the element. I specify out as my element. After that, the windows which we had modified them at the first of the video are red, as you can see. You can also change the color, for example green or blue. Right now I make a copy from these, and then for my elements I specify in, and then for the true items I consider the green color. Right now check it out. You can see the windows, the true windows with green color and the false windows with red color. And as when as I change the window, it just becomes red. Or even I can modify them in the right way to change it to green. Actually, this window I have modified it in the by the nodes in Dynamo. So I freeze it, and then I again modify it in Revit. Check it out like this. But sometimes your project is really great and you want to check some amounts, some values, and it is a kind of difficult things for you to just check all of them one by one. By this you can do it fast.